You ever wonder what separates a sales superhero from your run-of-the-mill salesperson? Spoiler alert, it's not your cape or x-ray vision. It's the script they follow. And no, it doesn't require writing superpowers either. You're just one script away from building the business of your dreams, from finally getting to your revenue goals, and helping more people. Script from the heart is like a great hero's journey. And today I'm going to show you how to nail every sales presentation. And these 5 tips are your hero's journey. So stick around and you'll discover how to turn rejection into rocket fuel for your next big win. And I've got a little twist at the end that'll change the way you approach every single sales call. Hey, I'm Tom Jacobs. I'm the sales coach with a big heart, and I'm here to transform the way sales is done, one part at a time. Every hero faces challenges, and as a salesperson, you're no exception. Your enemies are rejection, competition, self-doubt, that imposter syndrome. Does it sound familiar? Like you're stuck in the call to adventure stage of the hero's journey, ready to face the unknown, but met with resistance. You pour your heart into the perfect pitch, and what do you get? A cold, hard no. Or worse yet, let me think about it. It's like hearing the door slam on your dreams, and I've been there, and it's just not very fun. And just like every hero, you're battling the pressure to outpace the competition, always hustling, always scrambling for that next big win. It's exhausting, but every hero has a guide. These 5 strategies are your magic weapon to slay the sales dragons. Number 1, embrace rejection. In every story, the hero faces rejection. Think about Frodo being told he has to carry the ring, or Luke Skywalker learning that the fate of the galaxy is on his shoulders. Rejection in sales, that's just your call to adventure. The secret, every no is a step closer to your next yes. Each rejection is a rite of passage, proof that you're in the game and growing stronger with every refusal. Wear it like a badge of honor. The trick is to learn from it and press forward and get better. And if you're getting more no's than yeses, then we definitely need to talk. Tip number 2, storytelling. Storytelling can be your superpower. Forget the facts and figures. Stories tap into your customers' emotions. When you share a story that speaks to their pain points and show how your product solved their problem, you stop being a salesperson. You become Obi-Wan Kenobi, leading them to victory. A great story isn't just persuasive, it's transformative. It helps your customers see you as the guide they need. Number 3, build trust. When you step into this new kind of sales, you'll realize that sales isn't about closing deals. It's about opening opportunities and opening relationships. The moment you cross the threshold of trust with your customer, you're no longer selling, you're forging a connection with them and a great relationship. Show them that you care more about their success than cashing in on their sale. That's how you get loyal customers for life. Tip 4, you have got to understand your customer's journey. When scripting from the heart, you must realize what the journey is for your customer and how you can navigate their journey to their success. Your prospect will hit obstacles during their decision to work with you, and it's your job to guide them through making the right decision to work with you. Their journey isn't linear. It's more like a maze with dead ends and detours. Whether they're researching, comparing options, or hesitating to pull the trigger, you need to meet them exactly where they are and help them navigate through those trials. So map it out. And when they reach their destination, you've been there with them every step of the way. Tip number 5, the follow-up. How do you bring it all home? That's in the enrollment of your prospect into your program. You've discovered their problem, and your prospect is also aware of their problem now. You've presented your solution to their problem. You've built trust and helped them through that journey. And the real magic happens when you enroll a new client. That's when you solidify the relationship and transform a one-time sale into a long-term partnership. It's the difference between being just another salesperson and being a true guide for their life. And the bonus is increasing the lifetime value of your client. Look, the true power of sales doesn't lie in the pitch or the close. It lies in the connection that you create with your prospect. And when you script from the heart, when you sell from the heart, you're not just selling a product, you're helping your customer on their own journey to success. When you stop focusing on closing the deal and start focusing on connecting through storytelling and empathy, that's when you become the true guide to that prospect. So there you have it, the Hero's Guide, 5 tips for you to increase your sales. You don't need superpowers or a flashy cape just to become a sales superhero. All you need is a deep understanding of your customer's journey, the power of storytelling, and the persistence of follow-up and building lasting connections. And that's really what scripting from the heart is all about. You're not just closing deals, you're opening doors to lasting success. Remember, sales is not just a transaction, it's a journey, and one where you are guiding your prospect to make the right decision. Creating a great script from the heart is always the first step, and I have a very special training I've put together for you. Just click the link down in the comments below, and you'll get that free training delivered right to you.